What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Awa, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Awa. Today we're going to be making some fried ravioli, so let's get fried and have a good time, shall we? Whoa! That's right, baby, fried ravioli. And you're saying to yourself, like, oh, are you fried yourself? What are you talking about, fried ravioli? Well, I used to work at this place called Mazio's, man. They had this delicious stuff, fried ravioli, sir. It's the first time I ever had it, and I love it still. But you know how things are nowadays. I ain't got a damn dime to my name almost. So I'm going to learn how to make them the cheapo way today, and I'm going to learn you how to do it too, buddy boy. So first thing that you got to do, you got to get you some ravioli, buddy. And you know, you could go ahead and roll out your noodles by hand and cook the meat in your sauce over there, Mama Sophia. But I ain't got time for that shit, so. And I don't have the money either. So I went ahead and got me some canned ravioli at Chef Boyardee, baby. Now, y'all remember them Chef Boyardee commercials where that can, it drops off the shelf and then rolls down the street, falls that little kid home? There was that one. I like that one. And then there was the one with Mr. Sacco out there. So gotta get your ravioli. We're gonna get the formioli, and we're gonna take them raviolis, and I want you to drain off the excess sauce. Don't worry about it, because we got some extra sauce of our own that we're gonna sauce with later. So drain that excess off, and then go ahead and get you some breadcrumbs. And I'm not talking what Tom and Jerry had out there running around. So get those breadcrumbs, drop your raviolis in, get them coated good, and then put some oil in that pan, that vegetable oil. Get it hot to trot, buddy. So put your ravioli in there, let it cook. It's not going to take very long. You got to realize, this canned ravioli, it's already pre-cooked, and you just want to get a good brown crust on the damn thing. Now, once you have your crust on the damn thing, go ahead and take it out and set it to the side. Let it cool down just a tad, but we're going to add some seasonings just to give a little extra flavor. So, we put some garlic salt on there, and then we put a little Italian seasoning too. Now, after we do that, we're going to get a cup of marinara, and I think it's time for us to step back and have a big old sight, and then get ready to take a beautiful bite of these fried, easy, cheapo raviolis tonight. Alright, baby, the time has come. The fried ravioli is done, and I'm having the first bite for my damn self here. So one, that's a good ravioli. Got that fried flavor on there, and that garlic salt and the Italian seasoning makes it so good. So I have another bite. So good. And I want to thank all of you so good fools for watching another episode of Cooking with Black Awa. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, y'all have a good one. Enjoy that ravioli. And I'll see you next time. Me double fisting over here. So, excuse me.